Are you looking to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung phone? Hey there, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you 2 methods on how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your device. So let's go. Method 1. Using quick settings. Swipe down the quick settings from your home screen. If you don't see the Do Not Disturb option, then swipe down again and expand the quick settings. If you don't see it here also, then slide left and here it is. Now just tap to enable and tap to disable. After that, follow one more method. Method 2. Using settings. First, open up the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Tap on notifications. Now tap on Do Not Disturb from the below. Here it is. From here, you can enable, disable Do Not Disturb mode. You can schedule sleeping mode from here as well, and you can allow any calls, messages, app notifications, and alarms during Do Not mode by tapping app notifications below. That's it. This is the way to enable or disable Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung phone. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.